Welcome everyone to another session of Fans Dugout. We are all here today for Mumbai Indians versus Kings 11 Punjab, and we have three Mumbai Indian fans here today, as opposed to one Kings 11 fan today. But that's all right, Ishwinder. I'm with you today on this one. I'll be supporting Kings 11 today. So let's quickly begin with today's match at hand. Let's start with the Mumbai Indian fans. Rishabh, what are your thoughts on today's match, Rishabh? Is it an exciting match? How excited are you for today's match, and what are your thoughts for today's match?
It's definitely exciting, considering the performance of Kings 11 Punjab, even they coming from a super over, and even Mumbai Indians, the last match was obviously very intriguing. So two teams have played super overs, unfortunately not ending on the winning side.
Yep.
That makes it that much more exciting, and plus it's a different ground, Abu Dhabi. What I read a couple of minutes back, it says that it's going to be on a fresh wicket also.
Yep.
So Abu Dhabi, where you consider the spinners to be on the threshold because of the ground dimensions being big, but a fresh wicket wherein the ball won't turn much. That makes it that much more exciting, And considering the pace attack of Mumbai Indians, I'm really excited for it.
Definitely, it's definitely an amazing matchup today, and we are expecting fireworks from both the teams. Moving on to Shubham. Shubham, आपके क्या expectation है आज के मैच से? आप रोहित शर्मा के बहुत बड़े fan हो, तो आप क्या चाह रहे हो आज का मैच कैसा रहे, और आपके क्या expectations है आज के मैच से?
आज का मैच तो भैया नो डाउट मुंबई जीतेगी और रोहित शर्मा आज सेंचुरी मारेंगे। पिछले मैच में भी बढ़िया खेले दोनों टीम ने, और वही था कि सुपर ओवर में जाके मैच टर्न हो गया थोड़ा आरसीबी की तरफ, नहीं तो मुंबई तो ऑलवेज ऑन टॉप।
पिछले मैच में ईशान किशन का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत बढ़िया था, पर वो एक रन की वजह से वो जीत नहीं पाए, तो वो बहुत
लास्ट में जो वो कैच हो गया, तो वो अगर मिस हो गया होता तो हम लोग जरूर वो मैच जीते होते। बट किस्मत ने साथ दे दिया आरसीबी का। तो क्या
होपफुली आज किस्मत मुंबई की साथ देगी, तो
बट आज तो मुंबई जीतेगी, इसमें तो कोई डाउट नहीं है।
दीपक, आपके पास चलते हैं। दीपक, आपके क्या ख्याल है आज के मैच के लिए? आप कितने एक्साइटेड हो आज के मैच के लिए, और आप क्या सोचते हो आज कौन जीतेगा, और आज का मैच कैसा रहेगा?
मेरे हिसाब से तो मुंबई इंडियंस से जीतना चाहिए, और जो लास्ट मैच देख के लगा कि मुझे लास्ट मैच ये नहीं लगा मुंबई इंडियंस हारी, मुझे ये बुरा लगा कि ईशान किशन 99 पे आउट हुआ, मुझे वो बहुत बुरा लगा। तो आज वो गलती ना हो ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे, और मुझे खुशी इस बात है कि आज हॉटस्टार पे लाइव आने का मौका मिला है।
अरे ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात है आपके लिए, तो आई मीन यही चाहते हैं हम, और आई होप आप आई मीन यू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। बट quickly moving on to Ishwinder. Ishwinder, what are your thoughts on today's match? How do you think Punjab will perform today, and what are your thoughts on today's match?
It will be a cracker of a game. Both teams are evenly balanced. Both teams coming from like one victory out of 3. Both teams are evenly balanced, so it will be a good game to watch out. Especially Mumbai has an advantage, like they have played 2 games in Abu Dhabi before, but Kings 11 going to play their first game in Abu Dhabi. It will be going on a slower side. The batting was not too easy in the last matches what I have seen in Abu Dhabi. So I think spinners play a big role. Both sides, young spinners, Ravi Bishnoi from Punjab and Rahul Chahar from Mumbai. It will be eyes on them, how they perform. It will be a good game.
Hoping for a cracker of a game today. Moving on to you, Rishabh. Who do you think would be the star player for Mumbai today? Who are you expecting big things from your team today?
I'm really looking forward to Surya Kumar Yadav, because he's shown what he's capable of in the last 2 seasons. But in the first 3 matches, he's not really been able to convert those starts which he's been getting. So I'm really banking on him, because the top order with Quinton de Kock and Rohit Sharma, it's a solid opening stand. So even if one of them clicks, you are sure to get a score in excess of 160 or somewhere around 180. That, for that matter, even 200 also. So I'm just hoping for Surya Kumar Yadav to click, because if he starts clicking, you get that 1, 2, 3, which is a formidable batting lineup to start off with. And then obviously you have the likes of Pollard and Hardik Pandya at the end. And I don't need to speak about their aggressive batting. So I'm just waiting for Surya Kumar Yadav to click. if he gets it going, the top 5 really makes it one of the best aggressive batting lineups in the entire tournament.
Definitely agree to that, and we all saw what Pollard could do in the last match. So that was definitely hard luck for Mumbai. I mean, being so close and losing it by that much, but definitely hoping better things from Mumbai today. शुभम आपके पास चलते हैं. शुभम, आपको क्या लगता है आज मुंबई के लिए कौन स्टार प्लेयर रहेगा और कौन सबसे अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा मुंबई के लिए?
आज मुझे तो लगता है ऐसा कि आज पांड्या बैक करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि 2-3 मैच से खामोश पड़े हुए हैं, तो आज लगता है कि वो फायर होंगे और जैसे कलकत्ता के खिलाफ मारे थे धुआंधार, वो तो कोई नहीं भूल सकता, 93 या कुछ समथिंग मारे थे ऐसे ही. तो आज भी यही है, आज हार्दिक पांड्या अपना कमाल दोहरा दे, फिर से कमाल दिखाए और फिर से इंडिया मुंबई इंडियंस जीत के वापस आए, कम बैक करे अच्छे से.
होपफुली आज हार्दिक पांड्या अच्छा खेले और अच्छा दर्शन मिले आज उनके बैटिंग का, एंड होपफुली दे गेट टू विन दिस टाइम. चलते हैं दीपक आपके पास. दीपक, आपके क्या ख्याल है, आपको क्या लगता है आज कौन सबसे अच्छा खेलेगा और मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए आज मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए कौन स्टार बनेगा?
मुझे लग रहा है कि जहाँ तक क्विंटन डिकॉक एंड रोहित शर्मा मतलब अच्छा खेल सकते हैं. उनकी ओपनिंग इतनी अच्छी है, जबरदस्त की, मतलब उनमें क्षमता है कि आराम से 10 ओवर तो नॉट आउट खेल सकते हैं. और बाद में फिर बॉलर में भी बड़े बड़े शॉट मारने के लिए है, जैसे उस दिन हम देख सकते हैं कि 6 मार रहे थे. बस वही.
Moving on to you, Ishwinder. Ishwinder, who do you think would be the star for today's match for Kings 11? Are you expecting big things from someone today, or are you expecting the whole team to perform as a unit today?
If you want to win the game, you have to expect the whole team performs well, undoubtedly. The thing is, I expect 2 changes in the 11 today. Mujibur Rahman will come in place of Sheldon Cottrell, because his game was not up to the mark in the last game. He got smashed for 5 sixes, but I think Mujibur Rahman will come in place of him, because Abu Dhabi is on the slowest side, so we need a good spinner. On top of it, he can bowl in the power play as well and in the middle overs, as we have seen in the CPL how he bowled. And in place of Murugan Ashwin, I think one Indian pacer will move in. It can be Shan Poral or Chanal Pende or anyone of the yeses. I expect these changes. I expect Mujib and Ravi Bishnoi to perform well today.
So definitely hoping that Kings 11 get to snatch the match today. I mean, both the teams have had the experience of going into a super over and not making it all the way, so hard luck there, but it's an exciting matchup today. Rishabh, what are your thoughts on the matchup between Rohit Sharma and KL Rahul? Both have been in really good form, and Rahul especially. Do you think Rahul is someone that your team should be worried about tonight?
Definitely. I mean, not only Rahul, but I'll even say Mayank Agarwal. Being an Indian fan, I'm really happy they are playing. But obviously, because we are divided because of IPL, KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal, I think, are 2 really important, crucial wickets for us, because what we have seen in this first 3 games is the middle order and the low middle order of Punjab has not really been tested, because the top 2 are playing about more than half of their innings. So if you are able to get those wickets early, I think it would really open up for the chances for Mumbai Indians to kind of win, so that we can penetrate in their low middle order and middle order and get the wickets early. So definitely KL Rahul is something, I would say, the prized wicket, but I'm not really kind of looking over Mayank Agarwal also, because those 2 are as somebody who can take the game away from you, as what we have seen. So both of them, not only Rahul but even Agarwal.
शुभम, आप क्या सोचते हो? आप आज रोहित शर्मा अच्छा जम के खेलेंगे या केएल राहुल बाजी जीत जाएंगे? आपको क्या लगता है दोनों में से कौन अच्छा परफॉर्म करेगा आज?
वैसे तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आज रोहित भी आई फॉर्म में रहे, और वैसे झूठ भी नहीं है कि केएल राहुल इस समय कौन से टच में है, वो तो सबको मालूम है. तो दोनों तरफ बैलेंस टीम है और दोनों लोग बढ़िया खेल रहे हैं, तो होपफुली यही रहेगा कि मुंबई इंडियंस आज बैक करे और अच्छा मैच देखने को मिले.
होपफुली आज अच्छा
सारे
मैच
performance
देखने को
अच्छे
मिले.
करें.
यप. दीपक, आप क्या चाहते हो आज? रोहित शर्मा आज पिच पे आग लगाए या केएल राहुल अपने खेल से रोहित शर्मा को?
देखो कैसा है ना कि रोहित सर स्टार्टिंग से संभल के खेलते हैं और केएल राहुल मतलब कभी कभी आते बार धुआंधारी पारी खेल सकते हैं. कभी भी 6 चौके स्टार्टिंग से मारते हैं. रोहित सर आराम से कभी भी देख देख के मारते हैं. अगर समझ लो अगर रोहित सर ने देख देख के मारा तो उनका 50+ मतलब सेंचुरी. और अब बस आज रोहित सर ही आग लगाने वाले और कुछ नहीं.
वही उम्मीद है आज. Ishwinder, what are your thoughts? Are you worried about Pollard? I mean, given his performance last match, do you think that is something that Kings 11 should be worried about, or do you think Kings 11 have this in their pocket today?
We should have to be worried about Pollard. And one more thing I want you like to mention here, like we have to worry about Hardik Pandya and Karunal Pandya. They haven't fired it yet.
Yes.
So might be their storm coming.
Yep.
We have to get the wickets early of them, and we have to worry of Rohit Sharma and Quinton de Kock as well. Quinton de Kock also hasn't fired yet.
Yep.
We have to get the wickets of them to make it through. Yeah.
What are your thoughts on Gale not being involved into the matches yet? Like we've all been awaiting for Gale Storm yet, and he's not been a part of the Kings 11 team yet. So, what are your thoughts on that?
We are waiting for him to play, but still, I think we don't need him yet.
Yep.
As Mayank and KL Rahul are firing.
Yep.
Until they are playing good, I don't think so he will get a chance.
Yep. Also, one question about Maxwell as well. Like he hasn't fired up really for Kings 11. So, are you expecting him to step up today, or do you think Mumbai can keep him calm as usual?
Maxwell hasn't got enough balls in the last match. As you see, there was an opening partnership of 183 runs.
Yep.
So they haven't got enough balls, Nicholas and Maxwell. They did really well to get past 220, but we might be short of 15 runs. If we get to 235 or 240, it will be a good. But they were having a great bowling attack. Jofra Archer was bowling superbly that day. Jayadav Unadkat was bowling good cutters. So hope so he fires today and get us the victory.
Yep. So quickly moving on to Rishabh. Rishabh, what is your expected lineup for today? Are you expecting any changes from your team today, or are you satisfied with the one that played last time?
I'm pretty happy with the lineup. Actually, if I can say, the crux of the Mumbai Indians setup has always been that they always retain the core.
Yep.
So even though Quinton de Kock has not fired, but he's shown the glimpses of what he can do. He's played some good cover drives, some good shots here and there, 1 or 2 boundaries on off, and you got to back your players, and that's what I think Mumbai Indians has always been doing. So I don't expect any changes in the lineup. With Ishan Kishan again playing the way he did the last game, I don't see Saurabh Tiwari making a comeback again. Rather, he shouldn't, if I could say so.
Yep.
And I mean, other than that, Rohit Sharma, Pollard, Hardik Pandya, Bumrah, they have been the core always.
Yep.
And even Pattinson and Trent Bolt always started well in both the games, in all the 3 games, if I could say so. The first 2 overs which they bowled, the 2 over spell they have is really been good. It's just that during the death overs, which is quite expected in an IPL game, that towards the death overs you go for runs.
Yep.
So I don't see any changes in the team. I think it's a pretty much balanced side. It's just that we need to kind of fill those small gaps in between.
Yep.
And we can expect a victory then, a seamless victory then, if I could say.
Yep. Moving on to Shubham. Shubham, आप खुश है टीम के लाइनअप से, या आप चाहते हो कि कोई और प्लेयर आज नए मैच में खेले और उनको भी एक चांस मिले आज खेलने के लिए?
नहीं, वैसे तो भैया सारी टीम प्लेइंग 11 तो हम लोग का बेस्ट है. जो भी जब भी उतरते हैं तो बेस्ट के साथ ही उतरते हैं. और लास्ट मैच में भी ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन नहीं था कि जिसकी वजह से हम लोग बुरी तरीके से हारे हो. मैच तो काफ़ी अच्छा था, हम लोग जीतने वाले थे, बट लक के साथ वो ईशान किशन का कैच नहीं होता तो हम लोग जीत ही गए होते. तो प्लेइंग 11 में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सब बढ़िया है और फॉर्म में भी हैं सब लोग, तो होपफुली आज जीतेंगे ही जीतेंगे.
आज बस किस्मत साथ दे दे तो पिछले मैच की तरह आज शायद तुम्हें हार ना मिले, पर hopefully
we could see another super over.
Yes, that would be amazing as well. Like, a super over between both the teams that have already been in super over.
But this time win Mumbai Indians only.
वो तो टाइम बताएगा भाई.
ठीक है दीपक, आपके क्या ख्याल है? आप खुश हो आज के लाइनअप से या आप चाहते हो कि कोई और नए प्लेयर आए आपके टीम में आज?
मतलब एक चेंजेस कर, लीन को खिलाना चाहिए. लीन बहुत दिन से बाहर बैठे तो उनको टीम में जगह मिलने को ना, और लीन खेलने को ना. और बाकी तो टीम परफेक्ट है, बाकी कुछ ये नहीं है, सिर्फ लीन को आज मौका मिलना चाहिए.
Moving on to you, Ishwinder. Ishwinder, are you expecting any changes from your team today after the match that Rajasthan Royals?
I already mentioned the two changes. I expect like Mujibur Rahman walk in for Murugan Ashwin.
Yep.
Is it all going good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I expect two changes. Mujibur Rahman comes in for Murugan Ashwin, and one Indian pacer comes in for. Sorry, Mujibur Rahman comes in for Sheldon Cottrell, and one Indian pacer comes in for Murugan Ashwin. Yeah, I expect these two changes. Our batting is going good, and I expect just two changes in the bowling lineup.
Yep. So we're definitely hoping for a cracker of a match today, and hopefully we get to witness another super over just for the fun of it. So let's hope that we have an amazing match today, and we get to see a high-scoring match, just like the ones we witnessed between Rajasthan and Kings 11, and another one between RCB and Mumbai Indians. I mean, they've both been amazing matches, and according to me, the Rajasthan and Kings 11 was probably one of the best IPL matches we've ever witnessed. And I really have to admire the fielding by Nicholas Pooran. I mean, that piece of fielding from him was outstanding, and that is probably one of the best saves we've seen for six ever. So, both the teams look good, looking very sharp, and we're definitely expecting big things from both the teams today. It's a really amazing matchup, and I'm really glad that I got to interact with you fans today, and that we got to share your thoughts about today's match. I would really like to thank you all for joining in here today and sharing your thoughts with us. We as World Cricket fans would like to thank you all for coming here and sharing the space with us and showing your passion for the game and enjoying responsibly right from your home. We're really glad that you're doing this from your home and bringing your stadiums home and staying safe while the conditions are not good. I mean, the year has not been so good so far, but we're definitely hoping for better things. And we all know that getting to watch cricket in times like these is something that we're all very happy for and we're grateful for. So, as a cricket fan, I'm really glad to having these conversations with you, and I would really like to thank you all for joining us. If you guys have anything to share with the rest of the world, you can go ahead and share your message with the world. Anyone who has anything to say.
I would just like to say a small thing that IPL is something which has been celebrated so much, not only across the country but across the world. And during this unprecedented time, it's really nice that we are getting to, getting a chance to watch live cricket or live sport, if I can say so. And really, internet has really helped us. It's opened a different dimension of watching the game altogether. All these interactions which we are having, watching the game over TV, discussing over WhatsApp and Zoom meetings. I think that is something which no one really imagined, if I can say, even half a decade ago. But we are doing this now, and I think it's really exciting. It's something like a different dimension altogether, which has opened up suddenly. And I'm sure that in the going times, it would be really much more exciting. New things, we can expect new things over the internet also coming in, which would kind of enhance the watching experience. So I'm really enjoying it. Definitely missing going to the stadiums and all that sound and that vibes going around, but at least something better than nothing is what we can say at this stage, and just enjoy the IPL.
I'm pretty sure that Wankhede must be missing the North Stand gang, and they're definitely missing the support that you guys provide right from your North Stand. So we hope that things get back to normal, and hopefully next year's IPL we get the chance to get back to the stadiums and support our teams right from the stadium. So definitely hoping for better things, and we'll just enjoy whatever we have while we can. So just hoping that this ends soon, and hoping for a better season next year. So thank you so much for joining in, guys. I would really like to thank all of you and for taking out the time and joining this session. It was really great interacting with all of you and getting to know all of you. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. So, thank you.
Thank you, Nitin. Really looking forward to further such interactions. Thanks.
Yep.